Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Today I will show you the sweetest Ghoulia that I have ever made. Before the face-up, I replace her hair. If you reroute the doll after drawing, it will ruin the face-up. So, make customization step by step. Before drawing, I sealed the face with Vallejo matte varnish. On the first layer, I make the base shape of eyes using watercolor pencils. Guys, I want to try make a face-up stream on YouTube. Could you please write in the comments your time zone? It will help me to choose right time to start. I color the sclera with white pastel pencil. Don't forget to paint the iris. Also, first layer includes pastel blushing. I prefer to use soft natural brushes. Brows starts with pastel base shape. Excess you can erase with art eraser or melamine sponge. The second layer is details. I paint the tail of brows with pencil. And the best part is eyelashes. Don't rush when you paint them. Follow my Instagram to see the process and complete dolls before I make the video about it. You can increase saturation using sandwich of pastel layers and sealant. Pupil I paint using pastel and small brush. To make sclera whiter, I paint it with gouache or acrylic paint. and white freckles will make her more sweet. Here is the final look. I was inspired by fashion of 70s. Do you like her glasses and her complete look? Hope your Valentine's Day will be great. See you in the next video. Bye!